Struggling with a micromanager breathing down your neck? It's draining, I know. But what if I told you there are smart ways to reclaim your autonomy without starting a workplace war? Today, we're diving into 5 proven strategies to handle that overbearing boss and turn the tables in your favor. Let's get started. First up, over-communicate before they even ask. The core idea here is to beat their anxiety with proactive updates. Micromanagers are driven by a fear of losing control. When they don't know what's happening, their instinct is to hover and interfere. So you take control of the information flow. Start your day by sending a quick email. Here's my plan for today. Send a midday update. Quick progress report on Project X. And finish with an end-of-day summary. Here's what I accomplished. You're not just feeding their need for information, you're neutralizing their insecurity. By controlling the information, you control the interference. They'll slowly realize they don't need to chase you for updates because you're already one step ahead. Second, ask for clear outcomes, not instructions. This is about shifting the entire conversation from how you do the work to what the final result should be. Instead of waiting for them to dictate every single step, you ask a powerful question. What does final success look like for you on this project? This forces your manager to think about the goal, the end result, not the tiny details of the process. Once you have a crystal clear definition of success, you've earned the freedom to execute the task your way. You can say, "Great, now that I know the target, I'll handle the steps to get us there." This is how you cleverly downgrade micromanagement into what it should be. Simple performance management. Strategy number 3. Turn their control into documentation. Micromanagers often give verbal instructions that change constantly, creating chaos. Your move is to trap that chaos with structure. After a verbal conversation, send a follow-up email. Something simple like, "Just to confirm our discussion, I'll be proceeding with steps A, B, and C." This does 2 things. It ensures you're on the right track, but more importantly, it creates a written record. Now, if they change their mind again, their contradictions are visible and traceable. Micromanagers absolutely hate being exposed by their own inconsistency. This simple act of documentation silently positions you as the organized professional, while their erratic style becomes obvious. Our 4th strategy is to build a mini-win track record. Trust isn't given freely by a micromanager. It has to be earned with undeniable proof. So, don't fight them emotionally. Crush their doubt with data. Focus on small, manageable tasks. Deliver them perfectly. Deliver them on time. And then, do it again and again and again. Each successful delivery is like a small deposit into a trust bank. After a few of these cycles, you'll start to see a subtle shift in their brain. Their default thought process will move from, "I must control every detail," to "This person is reliable, they're safe." Once that seed of trust is planted, micromanagement starts to wither away. Finally, and this is the most critical point, learn the difference between a micromanager and a truly toxic manager. A micromanager, though frustrating, still wants the project and the team to succeed. They control the work. A toxic manager, on the other hand, controls people. They thrive on creating pressure, fear, and exerting dominance. The strategies we've discussed can work wonders with a classic micromanager. But if you're dealing with a toxic individual, these tips will only be a temporary fix. In that situation, the real solution isn't to manage them, but to escape. This might mean looking for a transfer to another department, escalating the issue to HR with clear documentation, or creating an exit strategy to find a new job. Your career growth and mental health require courage, not just endless patience. So there you have it, 5 powerful ways to handle a micromanager. Try them out, be consistent, and watch as you regain your space and peace of mind at work. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating your career. See you in the next one.